Best raclette grills. I've bought and tested these raclette grills so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Trust me, I know how overwhelming it can be to pick the right one. Let's break down the top 5 options on the market and you'll find the perfect grill for your next gathering. Product number 1, Swissmar Classic 8-Person Raclette Grill. When I first unboxed the Swissmar Classic 8-Person Raclette Grill, I was immediately struck by its sleek black design and the quality feel of the materials. The reversible cast aluminum non-stick grill plate is a game changer, allowing for both grilling and crepe making. I gathered some friends for a raclette night, which turned into a fun culinary adventure. The grill heats up quickly, and each person has their own little paddle to melt cheese or cook their favorite toppings. The entire experience felt communal and relaxed, just like a true raclette party should be. Now, let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the grill's non-stick coating meant that cleaning up was a breeze, no more scraping and scrubbing. Product number 2, Swissmar Classic 8-Person Raclette Grill, Anthracite Black. The Swissmar Classic 8-Person Raclette Grill in Anthracite Black is an elegant twist on the original model. Upon receiving it, I noticed the robust cast iron grill plate that offers superior heat retention and distribution. I gathered my family around the table for a cozy raclette night, and the experience was nothing short of magical. The grill's surface allows for grilling meats and vegetables, while the raclette cheese melts beautifully in the individual trays. The evening spent laughing and sharing stories over melted cheese and grilled delights felt unforgettable. Let's break down the pros and cons. The grill heats up evenly, which meant that everyone's food cooked at the same pace. The sleek design adds a touch of sophistication to our dining setup. Product number 3, Cuisinmax Raclette Grill Electric Grill Table. The Cuisinmax Raclette Grill caught my attention with its affordable price point, so I decided to give it a try. Right out of the box, I was impressed with how portable it felt, perfect for both indoor use and outdoor gatherings. I decided to host a spontaneous BBQ night with some friends, and I was pleasantly surprised by how well it performed. The reversible non-stick plate is ideal for grilling meats or for making crepes, adding versatility to our dinner. In terms of pros and cons, the grill heats up fairly quickly, and I loved how user-friendly it was. The adjustable temperature control allowed me to get the right heat for both grilling and melting cheese. However, I did notice that the grill plate could warp slightly if left on high heat for too long, which was a bit concerning. Product number 4, Fohair Raclette Grill. The Fohair Raclette grill seemed like a budget-friendly option, so I was excited to test it out. As I set it up for a family dinner, I appreciated the simple design and compact size. It's equipped with a reversible, non-stick plate and adjustable temperature settings, which made it easy to customize our cooking experiences. We decided to host a family raclette night, and it turned out to be a hit. The grill heated up quickly, and we could grill vegetables, seafood, and even steaks while melting cheese underneath. Let's go over the pros and cons. One of the standout features was the 1500-watt power, which provided excellent heat retention. The grill was easy to clean after our meal, and the non-stick surface held up well even after multiple uses. Product number 5, HBN Electric Raclette Table Grill. The HBN Electric Raclette Table Grill caught my eye with its practical features and affordable price tag. When I unboxed it, I found it to be surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to move from the kitchen to the dining table. I decided to invite some friends over for a casual dinner party, and we had a blast using this grill. The 8 warming trays provided ample space for everyone to melt cheese and cook their favorite ingredients, creating a lively atmosphere filled with laughter and delicious food. Now, let's analyze the pros and cons. The adjustable temperature control was a breeze to use, allowing us to set the perfect heat for cooking. The non-stick surface made cleanup simple. In conclusion, each of these Raclette grills has its unique features and benefits that make them stand out. Whether you're looking for something stylish like the swissmar models or a budget-friendly option like the HBN grill, there's something for everyone. Whichever you choose, you're sure to enjoy delicious meals and create unforgettable memories with friends and family. Happy grilling!